Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a tiny battle droid named Bleep. Bleep was different from the other battle droids. While they were built for war, Bleep loved to dream and create. One day, Bleep found a lost creature, a small, scared alien named Zip. Zip was lost in the vast desert, looking for its home. Bleep, with its kind heart, decided to help. "Don't worry, Zip," Bleep said. "I'll help you find your home." And with that, they set off on their adventure. They traveled through the hot desert, over the rocky hills, and across the wide rivers. They faced many challenges, but Bleep never gave up. Zip was amazed by Bleep's determination. Finally, they reached a beautiful forest. In the heart of the forest, they found Zip's home. Zip was overjoyed and hugged Bleep tightly. "Thank you, Bleep," Zip said. "You're not like the other battle droids. You have a kind heart." Bleep smiled. "I may be a battle droid," he said, "but I can be more than just a fighter. I can be a friend." And from that day on, Bleep was no longer just a battle droid. He was the bravest, kindest battle droid in the galaxy. And he continued to help those in need, proving that even the smallest can make a big difference. As they said goodbye, Zip looked at Bleep and said, "Goodbye, Bleep. I'll never forget you. You're my hero." And Bleep, with a smile, replied, "And I'll never forget you, Zip. You've taught me that being a hero isn't about fighting battles, it's about helping others." And so, Bleep continued his adventures, helping those in need and proving that every battle droid has a heart. The end.